Hello and welcome to Imagia. This is an introduction to business and data analytics. In these slides, we introduce you to the field of business analytics and set the foundation for many of the concepts and techniques that you will learn in the future should you choose to study business analytics or seek to get certified. The purpose here is to bring you to develop an appreciation for the capabilities of business analytics tools in supporting this business decisions and have you realize that you can use it at any level in your work or life. So what is business analytics? Business analytics is a methodical way to explore any data collected by an organization or government or corporate with emphasis on statistical analysis to provide data-driven decision making and problem solving. What is business analytics good for? It is good for collecting data, knowing insight, formulating strategies, analyzing data, and getting information. Are you a problem solver? If you are not a problem solver, then business analytics can help you, as business analytics highlights problem solving and turns problems into solutions. What are the types of business analytics? These three circles and their interactions and cross-sections provide a glimpse to the circles of data analytics, or the circles of analytics. There is the statistics circle, the business intelligence and information systems circle, and the modeling and optimization circle. Business intelligence, information systems circle, and statistics circle overlap in data mining or text mining. The business intelligence circle with the modeling and optimization circle can overlap in what-if analysis. The statistics circle and the modeling and optimization circle can overlap in simulation and risk assessment. All three circles can overlap and crisscross into one point, which is visualization or data visualization via charts and graphs. There are four types of business analytics, and in this graph or chart, we look at it from the far left where we have data collected to the far right where we have made a decision or taken action. If we apply descriptive analytics, knowing what happened, it takes more human input to arrive to a decision and take action. If we apply diagnostic analytics, why did it happen? It takes less human input to arrive to a decision and then take action. If we apply predictive analytics, what will happen? It takes much less human input to arrive to a decision and take action. In applying prescriptive analytics, what should I do? It goes straight to the decision making to support the decision and can be automated to go right to the action. Descriptive analytics is basically a description of the raw data that has been collected where an interpretation can be provided. Most collected data happened in the past, so descriptive analytics helps in understanding the patterns and behaviors of business variables that took place at previous time. Diagnostic analytics works to find out why problems happened. These analytics are about locating the vital factors behind the occurrence of a problem. Predictive analytics works to predict what might happen. These analytics are about understanding either the relationship between various business variables and how variables influence a sought outcome, or can be utilized for the future as forecasting. Predictive analytics is all about building models to seek specific outcomes. Prescriptive analytics allows for prescribing actions that aims to support arriving to a solution for a problem at hand. This is usually attained through quantifying the effect of future decisions in order to advise on possible outcomes before the decisions are actually taken or made. Would analytics create complexity or need complexity? This is a chart between competitiveness and complexity of analysis using the analytics tools. Descriptive analytics is less complex and provide less competitiveness. Being able to utilize and apply diagnostic analytics requires more complexity and can increase competitiveness. Predictive analytics is more complex and can achieve more competitiveness. Prescriptive analytics is far more complex than any of them and can achieve highest competitiveness. The low organizational intelligence usually uses descriptive statistics or analytics, but organizations can have higher organizational intelligence when they are able to apply all the way up to prescriptive analytics. Building analytics-driven organizations. The key concept here is to collect normal data and create normal data sets. A data is facts and statistics collected for reference or analysis. This is an example of a non-normal data. Non-normal data is inclusive of high variation and are not conducive to specific understanding of what is going on. Therefore, we cannot handle non-normal data. Such data has to be normalized. This is normal data. This is the typical bell-shaped curve that everybody is aware of. This is how normal data should look like, and this is what can be handled through analytics tools to create specific outcomes and arrive to problem solving and decision support. A data set is normal when all data points are random and the frequency distribution of its values follows a bell-shaped curve that is symmetric about its mean or the middle. A data set is a group of data points or observations that are quantified in nature. So they are quantitative. Numbers or digits normally is listed in a spreadsheet, more than likely Excel. Next, we're going to create a video about visualizing and exploring data, but that takes us to the end of the introduction. Thank you very much for listening and see you soon.